UNgqongqoshe wezezisebenzi uthi uma lesi siteleka sidonsa isikhathi eside sizophazamisa kakhulu umnotho wakuleli ontengayo.
But I've indicated that it's disappointing that we've not been able to reach an agreement because a strike in this particular sector has a huge impact on the economy as a whole.
Namhlanje amalungu esathawu nawo azibandakanye nawenyunyana i-UNTU ukukhukhulela ngoqo wesiteleka sezisebenzini.
How much is 3% of a general worker? We really can't accept that. Due to the cost of living, everyone is affected.
Izinyunyana zezisebenzi zifuna ukuthi umqashi abukeze lokho akubeka ezithebeni.
We were here on Friday to discuss the picketing rules with the employer, and then unfortunately the employer has unreasonably rejected to sign the picketing rules.
Inyunyana i-UNTU nenamalungu amaningi Transnet ngamaphesenti angu-54 ikwemukele ukuzibophezela kahulumeni ekubeni yingxenye yezingxoxo eziqhubekayo.
We appreciate that the minister took time out of his busy schedule to come and brief us this morning. He has addressed us on the urgency of this matter and trying to find a resolution for this.
I-Transnet ithi inhloso yayo ukuthi siphele lesi siteleka ukuze izisebenzi zibuyele emsebenzini.
We are under pressure operationally and financially, and for us we would like to conclude these talks that are happening currently as swiftly as possible.
Uma lesi siteleka siqhubeka kungalahleka amabhiliyoni amarandi emnothweni wakuleli kanjalo namathuba omsebenzi.